All right, what's cooking? Today I am whipping up a goulash. Let's take a look what we got in the pot right now. This is a mild sausage. This is our family's favorite for goulash. Using the sausage. So I've already started browning it. It's actually going to be done here in just a few minutes. Browning it, I'm kind of chopping it up, not too small, but chopping it up just a good bit so that it gets done. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start my sauce over here in this pot, and I use a base of Prego. It's delicious, so that's what I'm going to put in the pot. I usually do 2 jars if I'm doing about a half a box or a little over half a box of elbow noodles. Stir that together. I usually do a jar of traditional and then a jar of 3 cheese or something else. Okay, I'm going to turn that on medium, but I'm quickly going to back it down to low here shortly. The sauce will heat up fast. I'm going to add just a little bit of water. Put it in the jar, shake it around a little bit, add it to the sauce. And then to the Prego, I'm going to add salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic seasoning, and a little bit of sugar. A little bit of salt, and a little pinch of pepper. Use the Lowry's garlic salt just a little bit. Put that in there. And just a little bit of sugar. There's not much in there. It's just a little over a dash. And I sprinkle it all in. Let me get you take a look at what this is looking like. And we're just going to stir all that up. And we'll start letting that cook. The Prego is a great base. Why start from scratch if you already have a great sauce? Okay. Over here, the sausage is just about finished. Really getting brown good. And then as soon as it finishes, we're going to add it to the sauce. So nice and brown. Cooks up really nice. Smells great. This is, again, mild Italian sausage. You could use spicy, whatever your family prefers. You could use sweet. I'm going to go ahead and get a pot out for my elbow noodles. I'm going to use about a half a box, maybe a little over half a box of the elbow noodles. Okay, this has been cooking now, the goulash, about 15, maybe 20 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh, I wish you could smell it. Oh, it smells so good. See, it's nice and thick. Got the elbow noodles, the sweet sausage, the sauce. It just blends in there. It's so yummy together. Looks great. The longer you cook it, usually the sweeter it'll get. Sometimes get a little heat in there depending on which sausage that you use. It's pretty much ready to go now, or I could slowly let it cook another 10 or 15 minutes if I want. In my book, the longer that anything like this cooks, the better it's going to taste. So as long as you can hold out will be great. Sometimes I make a cornbread to go with it, sometimes garlic bread. I mean, really anything works with a goulash like this. So we're gonna get ready to plate up. I hope you've enjoyed this one. This is my sweet Italian sausage goulash.